Don't be too fast, don't be too slow. Full size electrode and your hand is shake. No problem, you just hold the electrode by the second hand, do grip. And every time when his electrode goes smaller, pull your hand up. When you feel warm, pull your gloves up. Then when it's short, it's gonna be less shake. Then you grip like that. Amazing. The slack go very easy. Esab is a little bit noisy, but it's a good unit. You have to just use to it. Good small unit for your garage. They dedicate this for professionals. You can be one day professional. It's gonna stop after a few seconds or minute, but do not knock. Scratch, you can knock, but I don't recommend. See, it's quiet now. It's a lovely, it's a good unit. All this body is plastic body, but it's a solid body. When you've got this, when you see this is not the cheap market stuff. Doesn't matter, it's made in China. Is all this machine is made in China now. You will be happy if you got it. 150 amp for you, it's enough. 4 mil electrode, you can run easy wheel. Most people they do 3.2, 16, 13 like me, but don't worry, you can do it. How to weld? You can weld straight, or you can do some circles, whatever. People they just make different shapes. That was pretty long line.